Hello everybody, Reviewcruncher is back. This time we will look at the top reviews for the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon 3D printer. Stay tuned and find out in only 100 seconds if you should purchase one this Christmas. As always, let's start with a quick summary. The Bambu Lab X1 Carbon is a high-performance 3D printer that offers a unique blend of speed, quality, and user-friendliness. It excels in rapid prototyping and small batch production thanks to its speed and impressive print quality. While the closed ecosystem might deter open-source enthusiasts, the readily available and affordable replacement parts alleviate concerns about long-term support. So, do the reviews recommend it? Yes or no? Buy it if you prioritize speed, quality, and convenience, and don't mind the closed ecosystem. Consider the P1P if budget is a major constraint, but be aware of the trade-offs in features and functionality. The printer has some strengths and weaknesses. Commonly underlined strengths are print speed, print quality, ease of use. The top three weaknesses are bed adhesion, specifically with the cool plate, filament waste during purging, closed ecosystem, lack of open source compatibility. At this point, let me thank today's 5 reviewers: Maker's Muse, The Next Layer, Cloth42. On my right side, you can see what they liked the most when dealing with the product. The link to their video is, as always, in the comments section. That's it from Reviewcruncher today. If you liked our Review Crunch, follow us on YouTube. All links in the comment section below. See you next time.